Alright, so next thing for the Mr2, I got side skirts from Viz Racing. I know they're the most common side skirts for these cars, but I just think they look the best. So I'm gonna take off this little baby mud flap. I already started it a little bit. Take that off, and I should be able to just line it up. So let me do that real quick. Oh, come on. Nice. So I have it up on the jack. I found these little thingies. They were in, if you can see, in those little holes, but some of them don't line up right, like this one. I can't get it in. I only got this one so far. I pushed it in like with the end of this and then just finished it off with that. But I'm just gonna use a Dremel for this one, because that does not line up at all. Now we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I made the hole bigger and it went in pretty easily. I had to do this one too. But these were perfectly fine. Now I need to figure out what to do down there, because there's no more of these things. So I have to find some bolts or something. Okay, so I took it off. This was probably the most annoying part. It was getting a side, like the end screw hole. I just put it right there. I mean, it should be fine. If not, oh well, probably gonna have rust there. But we'll see how it goes. It is now nighttime. It was already late when I started recording. But I finished the screws on both sides. This is the driver's side. This one lined up way better. Did this screw also, and it came out pretty nice. Okay, it's won't focus. Yeah, it looks good. This side lined up like perfect, like right here with this line, but the other side doesn't. So I just had to make this side match the other side because I couldn't do anything about the passenger side. So they're even. I think they look pretty good. But yeah, you gotta take off the back wheel to get to screw that in. But now I'm gonna put the wheel on, then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so it's off the boards. That's what it looks like. It would look better if it was all paint matched, of course, but that's next. Next video will probably be me prepping it. But it's pretty nice. I think it makes it look a lot better. I didn't do the 3M yet because there's no point yet until after I paint. Couldn't really push this in anymore. It's as much as it was going. But the other side, damn, I can't have flash on. You can kind of see the other side way better. But once it's just 3M, this will look perfect. I'm really happy with Viz Racing. Looks great. I just can't wait till it's all one color. But next, I'll probably paint under the hood, like the underside of the hood, because I have to do that myself, and try to do door jambs, because my friend's just gonna paint the outside of the car. We made a deal. If I do all the prep work and door jambs and under hood, then he'll give me a good price. But this is the car with the side skirts, and it looks awesome. Stay tuned for some more builds, more videos. Thanks.